Getting ready to make this tradition, this Southern tradition for New Year's Day. We're making it for dinner tonight. I'm just going to introduce all the ingredients, and this is a modified version. So we have chopped onion, chopped bell pepper, chopped celery, of course, black eyed peas. We're adding a veggie meat, Beyond Meat, for some more protein, and making it a little bit different by using white rice, which is made from vegetables. And then also, of course, the stewed tomatoes. These are fire roasted tomatoes. And then the spices are real important. Liquid smoke, thyme, smoked paprika, and a bay leaf. Okay, all the ingredients for the Hoppin John are complete. It was really easy, just sauteing all the vegetables and then adding the vegetarian meat that we cooked ahead of time into one pot and cooking a side of rice. Remember, I used the right rice here. And to make this a full traditional meal, we have the rice, the Hoppin John with the black eyed peas, and the cornbread and the spinach. And the meaning behind this is that the cornbread represents gold, the black eyed peas represent pennies, and the spinach or any kind of greens like collard greens represents the dollars. So cheers to the new year. Happy and healthy.